So after the launch of Snapdragon 888 chip, now people are eagerly waiting for the Samsung Exynos 2100, and this chip is almost there. Like, it's gonna come with the S21 series that's gonna be launching in mid-January mostly. So yeah, the wait is almost over now. There are a few leaks again from like most trusted sources which I'll be discussing in this video. Hey guys, all about technology 24/7 here. If you like what you're watching, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you receive all the latest updates from my channel. Also like this video if you did. Let's now get started. And as per what I am seeing, mostly the Exynos 2100 is gonna have similar specifications to the Snapdragon 888 chip, but it's gonna be really incredible to see how fast this chip is. And as per the rumors and renders, this chip is claimed to be faster than the Snapdragon 888 chip, so that's gonna be pretty incredible. So talking about some of the specs leaks, the Exynos 2100 is gonna run the Cortex new X1 Super Core, and as like the 888 chip, this is also gonna run on similar frequencies, maybe a little bit higher than the 888, not really sure about that as of now. Here we'll have 3 clusters, and one consisting of Cortex X1 Super Core, this is the ultra high performance core, and 3 Cortex, I'm not sure which cores, but it's gonna have some Cortex cores, and 4 power efficiency cores. So this chip is mostly gonna be built on the 5nm FinFET process, as we have seen with the Exynos 1000, I mean the 1080 processor. It was on 5nm FinFET process, so definitely even this chip will be on 5nm FinFET process for sure. And as per the leaks from ICE Universe, it also suggests that this chip is gonna have the Cortex X1 architecture for sure. Mostly like it's 99% confirmed that the Exynos 2100 will be using Cortex X1 core. So it's gonna be pretty interesting to see what Samsung optimizes in their all new Exynos 2100 chip that will make this chip even more faster or equivalent to the Snapdragon 888 chip. So it's gonna be pretty amazing to see that. Stay tuned for that. There will be much more leaks and much more benchmarks that are going to be out really soon, like within like 2 days or 3 days, not really sure, but it's gonna be there pretty soon. And we are nearing to the launch of Samsung S21 series, so it's gonna be there for sure. So guys, this was a quick little video talking about the initial renders of the Exynos 2100. What do you think about this all new chip? Do you think that it's gonna be equivalent to Snapdragon, or it's gonna surpass Snapdragon 888 in terms of performance? So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also do follow me on Instagram, link is in the description or it's appearing somewhere on the display. This is all about technology 24/7. Signing off for the moment. You guys have a great day. Peace.